It's your girl called back Christina, and today I'm going to show you how to do the Body Oddy challenge for the song Body by Meg the Stallion. Alright, so the first move is like the most active. Like it's so many different working parts of your body that are going on at the same time. So you got the legs, you got the arms, and you got the shoulders. Okay, so this is the motion of the legs. You want to do this with your legs. You want to flap them. You want to bring your knees in and out. Make sure that your feet are stable. About shoulder width apart, like that. And you want to shift the legs. You know, it's going to feel a little weird because all this thigh meat in here is just jiggling and it don't usually move like that. But that's what it's there for. That's what it's there for. So you want to do this. And then the hands are kind of like rock-a-bye, baby. Roll your boat. Like it's just going in a circle. Body, yaddy, 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 yaddy. Right? But what really makes this first section pop is the shoulders. This whole dance gives me a New Orleans bounce type vibe. You feel me? Because in New Orleans, they fucking some shoulders up. So this legs, add the arms, and then the shoulders. Right? Emphasize them shoulders. So it's body, yaddy, 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 yaddy. Another version that I've seen people do for this dance is that while they're doing this, they're like lifting up each foot. So that's like another version. Based on the videos that I saw when I was learning it, everybody kind of puts their own little twist on it. But the fundamental, like, root basic moves are like what I'm showing you. So I'm going to show you with the step, and then I'm going to show you without the step. Body, yaddy, 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 yaddy. Body, yaddy, 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 yaddy. Body, yaddy, 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 yaddy. Body, yaddy, 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 yaddy. You get it. You got this. All right, you got this. I just want to let y'all know that y'all got this. I know that this dance is extremely hard, it's extremely fast, but if you do what I'm showing you, you're going to kill it, all right? You're going to kill it. There's no other option. You're going to get this, right? So, body, yaddy, 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 yaddy. Body, yaddy, 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 yaddy. All right, so that's the first part. And the second part is with the arms. So I'm going to show you the arm movement, and then I'm going to add the legs for clarity and simplicity. So again, you want to make sure you're down, and you squat, and you low, and your knees are bent, and your legs are a little bit about shoulder width apart, right? So you here with it, right? So you go from here to here. So you throw that left hand back, and you keep that right hand in the front. So you right here, body, yaddy, 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 yaddy. Throw the left hand back, you press down in the front with the right hand, and then you smack that left hand on top, right? You're doing this, pow, pow, right? Then from here, you kind of want to caress yourself and bring your hands up to about maybe the 10th or 11th rib, and then you want to throw your hands down at your side, like just wipe some sweat off you if you want to get it off, you know? Flick that sweat off. So here, wipe it off. And we want to bring the hands up a little bit, and you want to throw them back down, right? It's a really quick movement. It's basically like flicking the wrists. So you're here, bow, up, bow, right? Like you just finished washing your hands, and there's no paper towel, so what you're going to do, you're going to flick your hands in the air. So bow, bow, right? Then from here, you might want to go to the side. From here, you want to bring the arms up slowly, right? It's really fast, but when the arm movements, it's like, so it's, so it's like that. Whoa, that clap sounds super loud. All right, so I'm gonna do that with the legs this time. All right, so I can't sing and do this at the same time, so I'm just not gonna say that. and then I'm doing it with the legs. Do, 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 do. All right, now let's do it with the legs. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. All right, you got this, right? You got this. You got this. You got this. Bring your energy, bring your life into this. Like, you got this, all right? So now that we got that part, now I'm gonna go into like, maybe like the meat of the dance. So we're gonna go into this other part, right? So this other part is body, crazy, curvy, wavy, big titties, little waist. All right? So you want to have your left arm out, bring your right arm to the left arm, just touch it, like, and then just bring it across. Bring it across, bring both arms up, bring them down, and then you want to bring them down, you want to bring the left arm up, rotate the right arm, and then you want to pop out the right hip and do a choo-choo with your right arm. So it would look like body crazy, curvy, wavy, big titties, little waist, right? So when you pop, like, it's this motion. It's the same motion that you're using to pop the hip out, but you're just standing. So you're popping the hip out and then you're kind of kicking the arm onto little waist, big titties, little waist, big titties, little waist. Cool, you got this. All right, so after that, it's like the final part, right? So you do the first part, second part, and the third part. This is the third part, right? So the third part is kind of want to bring your arms up. So let's say somebody's throwing a football to you, right? You're going to try to catch it like this, right? Or at least in my mind, that's how I would try to catch a football with this over my head. Alright, so anyway. So you throw your hands up, and then you want to bring your right hand to your hip. You kind of want to dip with it. So you want to kind of throw your hips forward. So remember when people used to do this? Or like if you do this, thrusting, that's all this is. Thrust, thrust, thrust. So you here, thrust, up, and then you step. So you pop out with this and pop out. So it's like a little major ed part. So you want to take the left foot, throw it out, take the left hip, take the left hip, throw it out with the left elbow, step, throw the right hip out, right? And really like be dramatic with it. And then freestyle. And that is how you do the Body Oddy Dance Challenge for the song Body by Meg Stallion. It's your girl called by Christina. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Send this to everybody that's trying to learn the challenge that hasn't learned it already. And let's get their formation, all right? And let's do this dance so we can't dance anymore. All right, so thank you for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and share. And leave a comment on any feedback, any pointers, any tips, or any thoughts you have while you watch this video.